Happy birthday to me! Hi everyone, it's Zach Weinert here for cgboost.com, and today I'm not really here to tell you that it is my birthday. However, I take this as opportunity to thank you all for your great support and share a little gift for you. Without you, CG Boost would not be possible, and working on it every day is really like a dream came true. So thank you all, and as a little gift and surprise for you, you get 30% discount for all our CG Boost courses till November 1st, 2021. All you need to do is to use the coupon code HBD21 at the checkout page when purchasing our courses. And this is the only time during the year where you can get such a big discount on all our courses. So we won't do anything on the Black Friday week, we don't do anything on Christmas. This is your only opportunity. And now here's a quick reminder on what we offer at CG Boost. Enjoy!